I'm HVAC repair guy, a former nuclear power electrician with 17 years in the heating and cooling trade. Today we are looking at two single-hose portable air conditioners, the Acekool CP1 and the Rovsun ROV-10000. The biggest technical differences between these two budget units come down to their energy efficiency ratings, air distribution features, smart connectivity, and manufacturer warranty coverage. Both the Acekool CP1 and the Rovsun ROV-10000 rely on a single hose exhaust configuration. In a single hose design, the unit pulls conditioned air directly from inside your room, blows it across the hot condenser coil, and rejects that heated air through the exhaust hose out the window. This process creates negative air pressure inside your living space, which continuously draws unconditioned warm outdoor air through cracks under doors and around window frames. That negative pressure effect reduces real-world cooling capacity compared to a dual hose system, meaning both units will work harder and run longer to maintain set temperatures. Neither unit utilizes inverter compressor technology. Both use standard single-speed on-off compressors. A traditional single-stage compressor operates at maximum capacity until the thermostat set point is satisfied, then shuts down entirely until the room temperature drifts back up. This cycling causes temperature swings inside the space and creates higher electrical current spikes on startup compared to variable-speed inverter compressors, which throttle up and down smoothly. When evaluating energy consumption, we look at the energy efficiency ratio, or EER. The Acekool CP1 carries an EER of 7.7, while the Rovsun ROV-10000 has a lower EER of 7.2. A higher EER number indicates more efficient cooling output per watt of electrical input. Over a long cooling season, the Rovsun's lower EER translates to slightly higher monthly electric bills because the compressor must draw more utility power to move the same amount of heat out of your home. In terms of operating noise, both units carry a factory sound rating around 52 to 53 decibels. A sound level in this range is comparable to moderate household background chatter or a background dishwasher. Smart features present a noticeable split between these two models. The Rovsun ROV-10000 includes built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing remote adjustments and scheduling through a smartphone app or integration with smart home voice assistants. The Acekool CP1 lacks Wi-Fi capabilities, relying solely on its local control panel and included infrared remote control. Warranty coverage presents another distinct difference. Acekool provides a 2-year overall warranty and 2-year compressor coverage for the CP1. Rovsun offers a 1-year warranty on the ROV-10000 and its compressor. Compressor coverage matters because a failed compressor on a budget portable unit costs more to replace in labor and parts than replacing the entire machine. At current retail pricing, the Acekool CP1 sells for around $240, while the Rovsun ROV-10000 retails for approximately $210. Despite the $30 price premium and lack of smart controls, the Acekool CP1 remains a strong choice for efficiency and warranty, though the Rovsun ROV-10000 offers significant value if mobile app management and voice automation are high priorities for your setup.